The topic today is dual pricing for service. So sometimes we'd like to give customers a discount for paying with cash or paying with a check versus paying with a credit card. So by default, everybody is set up with just a basic pricing without dual pricing. And in this case, you can see that the estimated total price is $291.60. And if we were to issue a form for this customer, you'll see we have a unit price column and a total price column. Now, if we add dual pricing to this, and the way you would do that is you would just open a help desk request and request that, and we would make that configuration. You would tell us if you wanted what the value of the credit card upcharge is. Generally, it's 3%, 3.5%, or 4%. So if we added, for instance, a 4% card price, let me just rerun this job. And now you'll see that we have a cash price, and then we have a 4% markup that shows when we're looking at this, when we issue a form, it's going to have a cash price and a list price. And also when we're taking payments, it's going to show you the price difference. So that's called dual pricing for service. And if you would like that, it's a new option. And if you'd like that added, just open a help desk request and we will get it added for you. Thank you so much.